National Tiles has been on a pretty significant growth curve for a number of years. The challenge in that meant that as we attempted to grow and improve the organisation, we had disparate silos in terms of both data and initiatives. And so we desperately needed to bring something together that was cohesive, that meant that we could choose the most appropriate initiatives that we're going to drive at any particular point in time.
We love having customer interactions. We love understanding how our customers' business works, so we can help find solutions to some of those challenges. National Tiles move pretty quick. They want to move even faster. In the business, there was a lot of bottlenecks that were around manually collating and processing some of the information to make those decisions. One of the big outcomes to begin with, breaking down some of those silos and making sure that everybody has the information they need to do their jobs.
Our relationship with Domo goes back 5 years now. That level of understanding of our organisation and the depth of knowledge they have about how we run our business has certainly helped us take the business forward quite dramatically. And when Snowflake entered the picture, that knowledge then played in very strongly. Snowflake already had a relationship with Domo, meant that bringing the two together and optimising it was particularly easy.
One of the things that we found really exciting working with Snowflake is being able to be a bridge between IT and the business. Snowflake, very, very powerful brand, very trusted. We're both bringing something to the table. When we get strong customer outcomes, then that's something that everybody benefits from.
The ability for our people in the organisation to serve our customers, that's all about how good we supply information. That's all about how we present data to them and how they use it and what tool we give it to them in.
There's a huge demand for information, for example, data that's in Snowflake, and then be able to solve their own business problems, build out their own information, build out their own stories, and let that data help them do their jobs better.
Access to data for people right across the organisation has made their lives significantly easier. They're no longer having to go and seek out the information they require to make decisions or take actions. That information is presented to them in whatever format serves them best in the role that they're actually performing. I think the access to data and AI's ability to make decisions is simply going to make it far easier to people in the retail industry to have more time to service customers better. If you enhance their ability to make decisions and make them faster, then the ability for a customer then to be served faster and have a better experience, that's what it's all about.
AI is obviously a huge buzzword. Everyone wants to focus on that, but you can't do that without having that strong foundation. You need to be able to trust that information, which is going to set up success for the future.
The relationship with Snowflake and Domo and how that's been for our business, I would suggest it's just been transformational.